I'm Chef Chad White from season 13 of Top Chef. I started my career in San Diego, California, and I'm back in my hometown of Spokane, Washington. So when it comes to grilling, specifically Cali Baja, really it's about the charcoal. We're using mesquite, but also about the fresh ingredients that are available in these areas. As a young boy, I traveled down to San Felipe a lot with my grandfather, who's lived there since the 70s, and some of the shrimp down there is the best I've ever had. And so what we're replicating today is really something that I've had a bunch of times. So we take shrimp, we make a mayo-based marinade, oregano, paprika, mustard, a little bit of garlic, lime juice, cilantro, and chilies, and we spread that over the top of the shrimp while it's cooking over the coals. And the fat from the mayo actually drips down into the coals. It creates a poof of smoke, and it actually perfumes the mayonnaise that is on the shrimp, giving it even more flavor. And this is something that I learned to cook while I was down in Baja. I used to have a restaurant called La Justina in Tijuana, Mexico, and these are some of the traditional flavors that I've came to love, and you will as well. So something we do a little bit differently using my hot bird spice rub with Spiceology is that we're imparting these sweeter flavors. Brown sugar really kind of helps caramelize more on top of the shrimp. And it's my own extension of a already delicious recipe. Start with great charcoal, get your coals nice and hot, let them settle down, and then cook over a controlled fire.